Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate the SMBIOS using Gen SMBIOS software. First, we need to download the Gen SMBIOS software from the link in the description. Download the zip file and save it to your computer. To open the software, right-click on the gensmbios.command and click Open. First, we need to install or update Mac serial. So type 1 and then press enter. It will download some files from the internet, so make sure you are connected to the internet. Next, type 2 and press enter. And then you will need to drag and drop the target config.plist from your EFI folder. Now press enter. Next, we are ready to generate the SMBIOS. So type 3 and then press enter. And then type your SMBIOS. In this example, I'm using iMac Pro 1,1. Press enter. And then the software will automatically generate the serial number, port serial number, and SMUUID. Lastly, type 4 to generate the UUID. That's it. Now all the processes are completed and you are ready to boot your Hackintosh with the new EFI. Thank you for watching and see you next time.